In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Klarna payment options on your Stripe account. This straightforward process is designed to enhance your payment method portfolio, offering greater flexibility to your customers and potentially increasing your sales. So let's get started with enabling Klarna on Stripe. First, we'll begin by navigating to your Stripe dashboard. If you're familiar with your Stripe account, this should feel like a piece of cake. But if you're new, don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Head over to your preferred web browser and log into your Stripe account. It's crucial that you have administrative access, as we'll be delving into some settings that require these permissions. Once you're on your Stripe dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. You'll see a menu on the left side. From here, you're going to want to locate and select the Settings option. Clicking on this will open up a plethora of options. Settings is essentially your command center where you can tailor your Stripe features to your business needs. With the settings open, find the Payments section. This is where you manage all things related to receiving, managing, and configuring payments. Under Payments, click on Payment Methods. This section is designed to give you control over which payment options you offer to your customer. Being versatile here can appeal to a wider audience as customers appreciate having choices, and Klarna is increasingly recognized as a popular option. Once you're on the Payment Methods page, look for Klarna. If you haven't enabled it before, it should be listed among other potential payment methods waiting to be switched on. The onboarding process might have slightly different prompts based on your region, but generally you'll see a button or a switch to toggle on Klarna. Click Turn On next to Klarna, and this will activate the Klarna payment option on your Stripe account. Let this change propagate. It might take a moment for the system to update, but once it does, Klarna should be available as a payment option. This is a significant step, as Klarna allows customers to order and pay later, making it a favored choice for those who prefer financial flexibility. This method can notably enhance customer satisfaction and potentially boost your sales conversions. And that's it, you're all set up. The integration is complete. You've successfully expanded your payment options to include Klarna, thereby potentially increasing your market reach and customer satisfaction. If you have any questions or encounter issues at any stage, remember that Stripe support is just a click away, ready to assist you. Thank you for tuning in and happy selling. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this one. Until next time, take care.